This place, and it's got a, the last tenant was really upset and looks like they broke. Sean got the breaker off, so I can pull this out. Should be dead wires.
Oh goodness, no. So you don't get electrocuted. Are you Lauren or Lawrence?
That's a good one. It's really good. So you have to remember which one's which. So that's the, let's say, the left side. This is the right side, and the middle is the ground. So we're just taking off the insulation now of the wire.
Whoa.
What does that do?
It takes off the rubber part so that it can conduct electricity with the middle part.
That's right.
But you should just melt it together.
Melt rubber,
Yeah.
or you can just peel it off.
Yeah, you could just put it up.
Are you sure you're not mixing up the wires now? Still keeping them.
Blade's really unsharp, so.
Oh, can you get a scissor, Logan?
Yucky poo.
Somebody's got a scratch, you know? There we go, so that's exposed.
Changing a light switch. You look so professional. Daddy looks so professional. Yeah, I think Daddy can do your floors next. Daddy, can you?
Expose that one?
Oh,
So actually, we are doing a three-way switch. Actually, so we had to swap out the interrupter for the three-way, and here we go. Let's see if it works. So just plug it into the one-way hole, and these are where it grips the wire, and with friction prevents you from ever pulling these out. So after if this doesn't work, you just got to cut the wires and you got to throw away the thing. We're gonna turn on the breaker.
or 4.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa, it worked.
No, it didn't. That's
It
the
didn't
one.
work.
3, 2, 1.
Work?
You just need to flow through the circuitry, and now it works. Yeah,
All right.
So the light, look at the light.
Look at the light.
Oh yeah, off, on.
Whoa.
Now
Okay, wait, breaker before.
There's perfect. Around. Okay. That's pretty good. Squeeze a little bit harder. Just go like this. So it's almost like you're sawing. And again, you can only do this because Mama turned off the main power. So now we're gonna test it.